Sometimes we have a data set where we have the position of the month and the date in the wrong places. So right now we have the 5th, the 2nd, and the 6th, but these should not be the dates. They should actually be the month. So this should be May, February, and June. And the value in the position of the month, which is February and August and September, should actually be the 2nd, the 8th, and the 9th date. To make this change, we will start to construct a date where the year is being picked from the original value. In the position of the month, we don't want to select the month, but we want to select the day. And in the position of the day, we want to select the month. By doing this, you notice that all the dates that were given to you have now become the months, and all the months that were given to you have now become the dates. So this allows you to swap the month and the day with each other. This is how the final formula looks. Very simple. You're simply constructing a date where the year is the same year, but the day and the month are swapped with each other.